Now in today's video, we're taking a look at the Jabra Elite 10. These are the latest generation Jabras that pack lots of tech. We're talking Dolby audio as well as amazing active noise canceling with call quality enhancements. So in today's video, we're going to do an EBPMAN style call quality and audio test to see how well they've improved. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now, the specs of the Jabra Elite 10 are as follows. We're talking about 8 hours of active noise canceling music experience and 36 hours with the case. Now, if you want to have active noise canceling, you're going to get 6 hours of battery life with 27 hours in the case. 5 minutes in the case is going to give you 1 hour quick charge. Now, they do have 6 microphones that help with active noise canceling, and we're going to test how well they do for calls. They have Dolby Atmos or Dolby Atmos, and also they have head tracking. So that means that if you move left to right or any kind of direction, you're going to get that spatial type audio. 10 millimeter drivers, and also has hear-through technology, AAC SBC codecs, auto pause, and also has Bluetooth 5.3, IP57 headset, and IP54 case. Now the case for the Jabra has changed somewhat. It's a little bit slimmer, as you can see right here. And one of the cool things about this case is that it does support wireless charging. So we're going to put on a wireless charger, and you can see it supports wireless charging. That's a nice addition. You have USB-C here, and then as we open this up, what you'll notice is you have your earbuds. I have them in a coffee or brown color. They magnetically lock, and they will not fall out on their own. As we take this out, you get a satisfying snap when that case closes, and you can see that these earbuds fit inside of your ear, in your ear canal. Now, the cool thing about these is that these have, what I would say, been tested on thousands and thousands of years to give you the best fit. And I have to say, they fit amazing. Let me go ahead and put these on for a second and twist them into place. So this is what they're going to look like. The profile is pretty low profile for me. So I'm going to turn to the right. I'm going to turn to the left so you can see what they look like. And I think that they disappear pretty well. They don't stand out that much, obviously because of the color. You'll see that, but depending on the dimensions of your face, you're going to see a different experience. But I really like the way these earbuds fit. Also, the passive noise canceling, as soon as you put them in your ear, they do really well. They block out a lot of that noise automatically. And then with the active noise canceling, it does even better. By the way, I did use these on a recent trip, 4-hour flight, and they did really well also. From an active noise canceling on a plane. From an audio perspective, bass, mids, and highs are present, and if you are streaming content that gives you the ability to support that Dolby experience, boy oh boy, you can actually tell the difference. All right, now we're going to do a call quality test of the Jabra Elite 10s in a quiet environment. If we take a look at our decibel readings, around 36 decibels of noise. So we're going to switch. Now, this is what the Jabra Elite 10s would sound like in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Let's go ahead and add some wind. Now, this is what the Jabra Elite 10 would sound like with wind in the environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, we've added significant noise in the environment. As you can see here, anywhere between 50 and 82 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Jabra Elite 10s. We're going to stay quiet and see how much they're canceling. So I'm going to switch. Now, this is what the Jabra Elite 10 would sound like in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, if you're wondering what the Jabra Elite 10s would sound like with an infant crying in the background, well, this is what they're going to sound like with an infant crying in the background. Now, if you're wondering what they'll sound like with a dog barking in the background, well, this is what they'll sound like with a dog barking. Now, if you're wondering what they're going to sound like with a doorbell ringing, well, this is what they'll sound like with a doorbell ringing. So, guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.